Hi guys, today I'm getting ready to go out, so I thought why not film a quick little get ready with me. So today it's only I think 20 something degrees, 22, 24, but it feels like 30. I'm sweating. So first thing I did when I got up was I went on Sephora's website. They have their sale going on and I ordered a lightweight tinted moisturizer because my skin's not as bad right now. So with combination of my concealer and my contouring stuff, like I can get away with using a tinted moisturizer for now. So just starting with my eyebrows, I feel like because today we're just going to a cute little patio, I want to keep my makeup very light and nothing too heavy. It's still pretty early. Just gonna do the bare minimum for my brows. I just realized I think I was out of focus because my camera was focusing on my mirror. Because I want to keep my brows looking a little bit more whimsical, I'm gonna use the Refi brow gel just to keep them in place. By the way, after this is done, I will not be repurchasing. I'm going to be going back to the clear Anastasia brow gel. Actually, I think I'm going to try Benefit instead because I didn't completely love the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. And this one, to be honest, guys, I'm not loving it. Brows are done. Now I'm going to do my skin. So I want to keep it really light as possible, which is really tough for me because I have a lot that needs to be covered. I am going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation stick in Coffee Bean. So I use this as everything, eyeshadow, contour, like everything. So I'm just putting it on all the areas over here on my cheek, but I also kind of like strategically place it on top of any dark spots. This is my foundation. I use a very heavy full coverage matte NARS soft matte foundation. So this is why I needed to buy the Sephora tinted moisturizer today because I can't go all summer being like super heavy matte, right? Now for this little blemish here, I'm using my Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the shade 40N Tan. I don't know if I told you, my Huda Beauty is Coffee Bean, and my NARS is Moria Medium Deep 2.3. So I'll probably have to do that again a bit later because of how I'm going to be doing the bottom half of my makeup. Just want to get the cheeks done first. So now I'm using the Huda Beauty again. And then I'm using the Rare Beauty in the shade Joy, the blush. For the bottom half of my face, what I'm going to be using is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Foundation in 6.5. It's just very sheer, so because I don't have as many like blemishes or anything, I don't need heavy makeup down there. So just that's why I said I would have to redo that side. Drag it down on your neck. Back in with my concealer, which is almost done. I should have ordered a new one of these as well. But I'm ordering it separately so I can get double the samples. Gotta know how to work the system. So because I don't want it to be too much of a heavy white under eye, I'm gonna use a little bit of the Flawless filter thing and mix it in with it. And this gives it a little bit of like almost a very smooth, shiny, silky look under your eye. Do you see what I'm talking about? I'm not using a ring light, just natural daylight, so you guys are kind of seeing like everything. Every day I don't like doing makeup on my forehead really, but we need it to blend with the rest of my face. So whatever makeup is left over on my brush, I'm just gonna kind of brush it on top. Because I still do have like some dark spots and stuff, but it's not really that visible, so I can just, you can have a couple flaws, right? Why not? Just blend, 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 especially here, just to show that gradual. I have my MAC Studio Fix. I'm going to very lightly just brush this over everything, just to give everything kind of like an even tone. So just a little on the brush. Very whimsical. Now with whatever's left over on my brush, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. So it's just going to give me a little bit of a glossy, rosy over the eye look. Although I would like if it was a little bit more rosy, so I'm going to use my actual blush and just go over it a bit. Just in the crease. And this is Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. Okay, now I usually use my CoverGirl setting powder, but I got this cute little sample of the Laura Mercier one. It's a little bit bright, but we're gonna use it today. So I'm just going to do it on places like my forehead, just places where I get shiny really easily. A little bit over my eyelids because I don't want it to crease under my eyes. My nose, laugh line. Now I'm doing the bottom half of my face because I want to keep that center part really glowy and shiny. And I'm just being very light with it too, because I don't want to accidentally remove my makeup. Here, because I went over it so many times, that one spot, just really packing it on there. I'm using the Studio Fix Tech Matte Cream to Powder Foundation in the color NC44. I'm just gonna literally use my nail and just cover it. I was debating whether or not I wanted to use this, but I decided, you know what, you only live once. So glow it up. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Everybody knows this, like, you know. So I am going to take my fan brush and I'm going in with a mix of bronzed and moonstone. Oh, this shade's called Summer. I've actually never used the tourmaline shade yet, so maybe I'll try that one. Okay, I'm gonna stick to bronze. So I'm gonna mix both of them together. I want eyeliner, but I don't really want to do eyeliner because I still want to keep my makeup looking very light. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use a brown pencil and do a small like brown wing. It's just a lot lighter and more summery, I think. Instead of Dua Lipa, I'm a Dua Wing. Unfortunately, this wing came out perfect, which means there's a lot more pressure for the other side. I'm using the telescopic mascara. I'm just doing a very light layer of mascara. I don't want it to be too heavy because I'm going to be putting on lashes. And like I've said before, we're going for the more natural look today. Yep, natural look, half an hour later. We're bringing out the old school Morphe. Opening it up, and I think I'm gonna use maybe this magenta color. Maybe I'll try using this color. I don't even know what this color is. We're just mixing colors at this point. It's not giving what I thought it was gonna give, so we're gonna use more magenta. Whenever I say I'm gonna do a natural look, something goes wrong in the formula and I end up with full glam. So I'm just not capable of doing light makeup. It's just, I can't. So I was planning on doing an orange lip, which now that I did this, I just remembered. But do I want an orange lip with my orange hair? See, my hair is just like ruining the whole thing. Okay, we're gonna test it out and see. So I have this Sephora brand orange lip liner. It's in the color Cactus Flower. Ooh, that's such a cute name. Wind it up. I'll be using Morphe lip gloss in the color Chill. It's a little more pigmented than I like, so I'm going to use just a little bit. You know when your makeup is just always the same and you want something different, but then you try different things and you're like, I don't really love it. I'm going to use a little bit of brown to line my lips. I feel like something's missing. Oh, my lashes. So I'll be using the same lashes I always do. The Ardell Double Up in medium and the ones in short. Already such a difference. By the way that I put my lashes on is I put it under my lash instead of over. I don't think I'm going to use any of the short ones. I think I'm just going to keep it 2 long ones on the end. That's it, because the rest of my lashes are looking pretty good right now. I really hate the lip color. My makeup is done. Next, I'm going to choose accessories. So for my earrings, I think I'm going to take out my second piercing. So should I do a single gold hoop or triple gold? I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. Right now, I'm in this dress. It's from Zara, but I'm just going to be wearing it as a top. I'm pairing it with these jeans and I'm going to tuck it into the jeans. And then for my handbag, I'm going to be carrying this. Now for my hair, I usually do the flip out at the end. I wanted to do something different, so I flipped it under this time, but I'm not loving it. And I usually do half up, half down because the front of my hair is so short. So if I wear it all down, it doesn't look very good. The struggle is real with this color. I was also planning on doing some sort of extension situation. Didn't happen. All right, so for shoes, oh, don't look at the bottom. I'm wearing these clear Zara shoes. So Zara shoes, Zara top, H&M pants, and Dynamite leather jacket I'm bringing with me because I think it's gonna get cold. Ignore the mess. I'm gonna blur that out. So for perfume, I'm going to be spraying a spritz of Brazilian Crush. You know this one. Just one spray. And then I'm using Marc Jacobs Perfect. This smells so good. It just literally smells like spring. This is so funny. Yeah, it's a really great scent for spring. I love it so much, Marc Jacobs Perfect. And I don't completely love my hair, but you know, it's just because I'm not 100% obsessed with the color. But anyways, guys, I have to hurry because where I'm going, it's an hour away and I have less than an hour to be there. Thank you so much for watching this video and getting ready with me. Please remember to like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this video so next time I post one, you will be the first to know. Bye, guys. And I'm still not sold on this lipstick.